Hello, and welcome to day 4, Thursday, March 25th. It is our last day in week 7. Let's see what we have to do for today. First, you'll watch this video, then you'll click async. You have a few activities, as always, every Thursday to do. The first one is to talk about your new experiences in DC. You're going to use present perfect simple and use 3 to 4 sentences. Have, has, plus verb past participle. Example, okay? Since moving to DC, I have experienced some new things. I have ridden, I have started, have spoken, have visited. Okay, so make sure you use present perfect in describing your experiences in DC, and you will post. Check for spelling and grammar. Your next activity is to do topic, claim, and point of view. Okay, remember we did this on Monday during the sync when you guys move those boxes around. So you will remember to sign into Carlos Rosario email. When you click here, sign into your Carlos Rosario email, click my document, click edit, and here in your doc here, most of you have been doing a really good job. So you're just going to highlight here your colors. You have topic, claim, and point of view. So let's say this is the topic, which it is actually in real life. You can select and click the blue. Okay, and it's now highlighted. All right, so highlight the topic, the claim, and the point of view, right, in these colors. Blue for topic, green is for claim, the problem and the solution, and yellow is the point of view, right? And then you click submit when you're done. Make sure you come back to the S for Schoology if you are in a different page and click submit. All right. Your next assignment is Spark 3000. So you're going to read the article Preparing to Interview. You will have 6 more days before the end of the month to have your 8 articles. So please make sure you're reading your articles for Spark. We are actually doing a new activity for Friday. It is called Flipgrid. So it's very important that you try to do this on the computer rather than your phone. And there's a video here to help you how to use it. And I will show you how to go through it in your assignment. So you will watch the video, but then you can, after you watch the video, you click deliverable and you are going to make a video. We have done audio or video. Most of you have chosen audio, but now we're going to try video. The video is helpful for me to see the way your mouth moves for pronunciation. Okay, so you're going to describe your work skills and experience like you would in an interview, but you're using the present perfect. Remember, present perfect is something that started and still continues. All right. So you can download the app on your phone, or you can do this. You click here and you will join with Google. And you will use your Carlos Rosario email. And you will see the directions here. Always make sure you read the directions, and then you will record your response. Now you click record response, and then you'll record your response and take a selfie after, and then post. Make sure you watch the video where Nick explains how to use it on your phone, but it's the same way on your computer. Okay, and you record just make sure you read the directions. Also, before you record, Write down what you will say, similar to how you usually do it in the audio on in the other deliverables in Schoology. Okay. And that's it for async. Let's go to sync. So it's Thursday, but our Thursday will change today. We will not have big class. We will do some housekeeping things, and then I will set up to meet with some people about different things. Okay. And that's it. Good luck.